Hello guys, we are going to see how to add another Instagram account to one device. First, we need to open our Instagram. Then go to our profile. Here at the top, you can see our profile username, so click on that. After that, you can see Add Account option, so open that. Please choose one. Chance I have an existing account, so I am going with that. Now click on Switch Accounts and enter your username and password. After that, click on Submit to log into your other Instagram account on the same device. Like this, you can log into multiple Instagram accounts on the same device. I hope this video is helpful to you, and please leave us a like to see more tutorials like this.